Hey Sarah, what are you up to?
Not much. I'm just trying to finish up a paper for my history class.
Oh yeah? What's it about?
I wrote about World War I. I'm in the process of editing it, but I can't tell if I found all of the mistakes. I might need a fresh pair of eyes to look at it. I could look at it for you if you'd like.
Really? That would be great. Having a fresh pair of eyes refers to having another person look at something closely. So in this case, Sarah needed a fresh pair of eyes to take a look at her history paper to make sure she didn't have any more mistakes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you would like to see more videos on English idioms, please click the subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.